What's happening there, YouTube? Been a while. Back here at you though. Yeah.
Why was Da Vinci so obsessed with the workings of the human
Down
body?
here in the tunnel, man.
What secret and forbidden knowledge was he trying to uncover or reveal?
Atkins Fabrication and then some. How y'all doing this year, man? It's still the beginning of the year here in 2022. What y'all think about that? Huh? How you feel with all this stuff that's going on? So listen, check this out. I got a tangent. Let's talk about it, right? So I go to the DMV, right? I lose my wallet, lose my ID. I have to go through getting everything all over again, right? So I go to the DMV and I go to get a replacement ID card, right? Learner's permit, sorry. So the lady says, well, it's suspended. I said, for what? All my child support is current, everything. Like, I don't understand. She said, you had a ticket from May of 2021. I said, no, ma'am, definitely not. She said, well, it's right here. I said, well, it's a mistake. I definitely didn't have one. So, I go to,
that would so consume the final years of Leonardo da Vinci's life.
I go on with this lady sitting here listening to her, and she asked me, she says, have you ever been to jail or had a warrant before? I said, yes, ma'am, but I ain't been in trouble in a long time. I've been out of trouble for a while. She said, well, that's good. She said, but that has nothing to do with one of the laws Larry Hogan's passed. And if you've been to jail before, not only do you got to pay the regular fee of $20 for the ID, but you also have to pay an additional $30 fee because you've been to jail or had a warrant before.
Leaving hidden messages that can only be revealed with the use of mirrors.
It's not already hard enough to find a job for ex-convict. It's not already, you know, stacked against us, should I say. But yet, he goes and makes it harder because he steals his money.
Graphic designer Terrence Mason uses computer technology.
Hogan did some good. I felt as though he did good during COVID. You know, I didn't know that he was going to go and start trying to ass rape people because of the bills that he made. And then he goes and gets it from the wrong. He don't go get it from the rich people. He goes and takes it from the people that have the hardest of time.
To hide secret messages in the
it is hard for an inmate, convict, to come home and start over again. And to work, and make it work. And make it work with his family. That stuff takes so much, man. I lost my wife. I lost my kids. I lost everything from going to prison. And it wasn't enough. He wants to take more.
Is this helmet-shaped creature
more
simply the product of a parlor trick? If so, then why can
what do we do about a government that does this to us?
Painting by Da Vinci, Virgin and Child with Saint Anne.
You get men that run up into the Capitol building and they get locked up for that.
We always notice the dramatic hand poses of Leonardo. Is that giving us a hint about where
them men are going to prison. Stupid as they may be, they made a statement. And the statement is not only a statement but a question. How much longer will we take this? Our government just robbing us blind. Not even giving us a chance. Just robbing us blind. And make it harder and harder for us. But yet you expect us to be productive members of society on your conditions.
Messages that reveal the artist's connection to otherworldly beings.
My condition is leave me alone.
So obsessed with dissecting the human form. Was it for purposes
anyway, enough with that, man. Let me know what you think about that, man. Put it down in the comments what you think about that. I'd like to hear what y'all think, man. You know, it was really just bothering me. I can't fathom that. I can't grasp why you would want to do that.
London, England.
But it is what it is, right?
Housed here in the British Library
So anyway,
is
what I'm working on is I'm working on
a collection
the mini
of
lathe.
283 papers.
Let's walk over and take a look at the mini lathe right quick. All right, there we go. There's the mini lathe.
And writings covering
So what's going on? I don't think I could flip this camera. No, that was taking a picture. Anyway, what's going on is we got the cross slide over here right now, right? And what we're doing is we're going to take the cross slide and fix the
found among Leonardo's papers
screw in it.
were a few personal anecdotes.
It's got too much play in it. This one does too. Eventually I'll do this one too, but I'm coming up with an idea for this one. I'm thinking about ordering a M8T a T8 screw, ball nut screw with a ball nut, and the capture nut, the capture to screw into this and screw the ball nut onto that down here in the center in order to drive it here. And I think it would drive better with a T8 screw as well as the cross slide. I'm thinking about that one also, but what I'm doing right now with the cross slide, this is getting ready to get a block. I got an aluminum block that I'm finishing right now, and then I got to drill it in order to mount it here in order to put the tool post, my quick change tool post back onto that. It should be ready to rock out again. Start turning some metal. And I got the 5 metal gears coming. They're in the mail for this. I got the bearings for this, the taper roller bearings, ready to go. And I think I'm going to do that all at once. I believe I got to switch these 3 plastic gears out right here. This one, and this one. It's a 20, a 25, and a 45. I got to switch them out also, and then it's 282s. So what I'm thinking is, when I do that, I'm just going to take the whole headstock off and just do it all at once. Right? I'm already working on it. I might as well do it all at once. But I'm having a hard time affording this milling machine. So it's going to happen. But I'm having a hard time doing it. So I'm learning to, use my lathe the way that it was intended to be used. I'd like to learn line boring. I want to get into model building. I'd like to start making some models, man. I think that would be really cool also. Definitely. So that's where I'm at. And with the cross slide right now, I'll walk over here to the cross slide. Okay. So what we got going on is here's the
they're very, very strange.
This is now the dial. I hollowed it out. I have a set of I have a bearing.
According to historical records, there were, during the Renaissance, a large
linear roller bearing.
Seen in the skies over parts of
I believe that's what it's called. I may be wrong. If I'm wrong, please correct me.
During the siege of
Each one teach one. Don't you all forget that, man. Each one teach one. I'm a sponge, man. Please teach me. Anybody want me to apprentice on her in machining, please. I will accept your invite. That goes in to this now. That goes around the cross slide screw.
Just before Christopher Columbus reaches
There's the cross
the New World,
slide screw.
he sees anomalous lights in the sky, and he
And
reports
here's the T8.
people
Screw that.
see them from his ship.
So now,
Flights cannot be explained.
excuse me, y'all. Excuse me real quick. Need a drink right there.
Ancient UFO was seemingly guiding Columbus's ships to the New World. So here we may well have ancient aliens.
You know what I need to think about? I'm probably gonna have some interference with this TV going. I got Ancient Aliens on. Not even paying attention. So anyway, what I'm working on right now is, in order to capture this ridge that's on this lead screw, right? Because what happens is it sits on there behind it and it's never captured. Whenever you draw it in, it can follow as far as it'll go. If it don't have nothing on the end, it'll go all the way through it. It's the two nuts, the jam nuts, that hold it from going anywhere. And then it's in front of the base for the counter, the dial, so it won't go backwards, but there's nothing in front of it to stop it from going forwards. Duh. I don't get it. I don't get it. I get it. Never mind, I get it. I get it. It's cheap Chinese mini lathe, man. That's what you get what you pay for. You know what they say? You get what you pay for. So that's what I got. I got what I paid for, right? Ain't that what they say? That's what they say. Hey. Alright, so let me set y'all up here. Let me take a look at this here with me. Alright, so what we got here is we got this piece of metal right here. Right? And I'm cutting this piece of metal, and it's only going to be cut down to like right about there. If y'all can see it, I don't know. Let me see. There it is. You can kind of see that right there, right? You see my lines? There you go. So anyway, I got the markings for the holes that's got to be drilled to attach it, as well as for the lead screw to go through, and it needs to be bored also. And then I got it going on an angle to go around, and I'll follow it and chamfer the edges and everything like that and make it look good. And I'm gonna keep this factory edge how they cold rolled it. It's a piece of cold rolled plate, and I believe that's what it is. If I'm wrong, once again, correct me down in the comments. Thank you. Right here, I like that rolled edge, so I'm going to keep that rounded rolled edge, and the rest of it I'm going to finish the edges. But just a piece of scrap that I had laying around. A buddy of mine down by where I work at, he owns a company. He's a Spanish fella, and he made it, man. I mean, he made it. Dude made it. He's got equipment that I could only dream of having, right? So anyway, yeah, he gives me some scrap steel every now and then, man. He's a hell of a guy. He definitely gives back, you know. As an addict, they tell us, man, you know, in order to keep it, you got to give it away. And I firmly believe that. You got to give it away in order to keep it, man. So I do my best to give it away. Anyway. Like and subscribe. I got some more videos coming forward on the actual finishing of this. I don't have it from the start, but I'm gonna begin recording now because I have a phone again that actually has voice that records. So you know, I apologize for not being around for a while, but I'm back. Anyway, like and subscribe, or thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever, man, and just You know, let me know what's going on down there in that doobly-doo. Give me some words, man. Let me know what I need to do to make this better. Thanks for watching, man. It's always great, and I appreciate y'all so much, man. I talk to myself anyway when I'm working, so might as well do it in front of a camera. Hey, thanks, man. Atkins Fabrication and then some. We tried to do it all. All. Not some. All. We want it all. Give me it all. Thanks, y'all.